Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the pre-market price label on TradingView. If you've ever wondered how to quickly see up-to-date pre-market or after-hours prices for your favorite stocks or crypto, this simple trick will make your charts a whole lot more informative. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable this feature so you never miss key market moves again, especially before the opening bell. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, you want to open up TradingView. Head to TradingView.com in your browser and log into your account if you aren't already. TradingView is one of the most popular tools for chart analysis, so if you're someone who regularly checks price action before the market opens, enabling this label can give you that extra edge. Once you're on the main TradingView dashboard, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see products up there. Go ahead and click on it. This area lets you access all the different tools and features TradingView offers, but for now we're focused on the charting tool. Now pull up the chart you want to work with. Any ticker will do for this demonstration. On the right side of your chart, you'll see the price scale running vertically. This is where all the price action is displayed, both during regular hours and optionally in those sometimes volatile pre-market and after-hours sessions. Here comes the key step. Take your mouse and hover over the price scale on the right side. It's that area with the numbers that update as the market moves. When you do, you'll notice that your cursor changes a bit and a small toolbar or contextual menu might appear. This is a good sign. It means TradingView is ready to let you customize how prices are displayed on your chart. Don't click just yet. First, make sure you're definitely hovering over the actual price scale, not the chart area itself. It's a common mistake, so if nothing pops up, just adjust your cursor a bit until that menu appears. Next, give the price scale a right-click. This opens a menu with several different settings. Here, where you can really start tailoring your chart to fit your needs, look for the option labeled Labels. This section controls what kinds of price indicators and markers are shown on your scale. Hover over Labels with your mouse and a secondary menu will pop up. In this new menu, you'll see an option specifically for the pre-post market price label. This is what we're after. Go ahead and click to enable it. And that's it. You've now activated the pre-market and post-market price label for your chart. It should appear directly on your price scale now, giving you instant eyes on those important moves happening outside of standard trading hours. If nothing changes, give it a moment or double-check that you're on an instrument that actually has pre-market data. Some assets, like cryptocurrencies, trade 24/7 and might not use this particular label. So the process is really straightforward, but knowing exactly where to right-click and what to look for is what trips up most new users. Having this setting enabled can be especially useful if you're tracking stocks with high pre-market activity, news releases, or earnings announcements that hit before regular session opens. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions about TradingView features or run into any bumps following these steps, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step trading and charting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.